Guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Nene, and today I will be doing a walking video, just me walking in the park and like relaxing, I guess. So yeah, so right now I'm at the park and I'm finna just go walk and stuff and enjoy nature. So yeah, cut my car off. It's so bright, you can barely see me. Okay. If you're wondering, my car is right there. Yeah, right there. I know that y'all just want to look at me or just look at nature while walking. I don't know. We can do both, I guess. Let me turn back around. Oh, snap. It is hot, but I like hot weather, so it don't bother me for real. I don't like the winter time though. Be too cold. I hope my camera don't start heating up because when it get hot, it be heating up. Okay. So this mainly is like a relaxing video, so I probably won't do that much talking. Probably more quiet. But I'll let y'all know if I see something like squirrels or butterflies or birds, because I love watching stuff like that. Nature wise. And that's a dragonfly. There was a bug on my tripod. I was trying not to freak out. I wasn't. It is hot, but I can take it. And when I do walk, I don't walk that much. I only walk for like probably 1 lap, and that's about it. I'm turning the camera around for a little bit. So, if y'all don't know by now, I am an introvert, which means I don't really deal with a lot of people. I'm just to myself. So, I don't mess with a small group of people, not too much. Probably like 5 people. It depends on, but not a big group. I'm always quiet and I'm always thinking a lot, so that's why I consider myself an introvert. There's some birds out here. They're over there in that little huddle. Let me see, can I show y'all if y'all can see? Let me see. You see those little dots right there? Be still. Those are birds right there. They grouped up. I'm just gonna zoom in again. Yeah, right there. Oh, they flying away now. But I mainly like birds and butterflies. They're pretty and they don't bother nobody, so they be minding their own business. Wait, the camera, hold on. I'm trying to fix it. Okay. Okay, I got it. And that is like a, I don't know what this is, like a lake or a pond. I don't know. Let me show y'all. I don't know what it is. Is that a lake or a pond? Oh, yeah, I got a butterfly. Let me show y'all. Maybe I can get to, oh, dang, flew away. Where did it go? Oh, there it go. Oh, dang. Oh, it keeps flying away. Y'all see it right there? There it goes. That's it. It's so pretty. Zoom back out. That was one butterfly. I'm gonna turn my camera back around. Ow. Okay. So that was one butterfly. My favorite butterfly would be the big yellow and black one. The yellow tiger swallowtail, something like that. Surprised there are not any gooses out or anything. So yeah. I can't move. It won't be still. Like, what's going on? Okay. I'm almost done with my lap. Almost, but not really. I'm halfway there. This is pretty much a vlog. So, I'll let y'all see my car when I get back up. A little closer. Closer up. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. And also comment down below what else videos y'all want me to do. So yeah. After I heard get done my lap, I want my camera to heat up and go off. If it does, then that's why. I wonder, do y'all hear the wind blowing? And the birds are chirping. Oh, a bluebird. He's flying away though. It's like it's way hot over here now on the other side. That butterfly finna get on me. It was a black one. My hair's in my face. Almost there, you guys. To my car. Oh, there's another butterfly. I was like the same one. Ooh. Yeah, I like the same one. Same color. I mean. It's actually kind of peaceful. This is also, I probably didn't say this, but this is also like a relaxing video. Just to hear nature and stuff. So yeah, let me show y'all what the park looks like if y'all don't mind. This is what the park looks like. So yeah. Almost there to my car. I want to do pull an all-nighter, but I don't know how would I record that. I don't know. Cause I can't stay up all night if I wanted to. Almost 20 minutes in on this video. I'm finna show I'm getting closer to my car. It's over there. I got my car, you guys. Let me zoom out. I'm gonna get closer to it anyway. Here goes my car. So, yep. Oh, snap. Ooh. Okay. Turn my radio down 'cause I know it's gonna be loud. Okay, so if y'all like this video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. And also comment down below what this video you want me to do and stuff like that. So yeah, hope y'all enjoyed this relaxing video.